Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to comment a photo in TikTok in 2025. First of all, what you'll need to do, or what you'll need to know, is TikTok hasn't released this to everyone yet. It's rolling out gradually by region, device, and sometimes phone brand. So if you don't see it for you yet, you might try to update, an example, the app or reinstall the application may help as well, but it might still be a waiting game for you. So if you go to your TikTok at the moment and you go to the comment section and you try, as an example, to just comment something, it might not show for you. So as an example for me, in my phone, I do have this option. I do have, as you can see at the bottom right, I have three things. I have the ads, the emoji, and the picture option. Of course, for you, you might not find it. You'll have to keep that in mind. But all you need to do just to wait, because it's, as I said before, gradually will get to everyone. So if you still don't have it, you can try to update and clear cache, an example, in your TikTok. But if you do have it, that's good. All you need to do, just go and click on it, and you'll have to select an image from the images, all the images, of course, that you have. For me, let's say here, an example, once I click on it, I find a lot of images. So all I need to do is just go and click on any image, like an example, this one. And as you can see, I'll be able to comment this image. I can just go and add a comment, then simply publish it. And as you can see, I published a picture. And people, once they click on it, they'll be able to see the picture that I published in a comment section in a video, as you can see. And of course, you can always just go and delete it if you want to. So as simple as that. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.